Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change column border color in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on this number sheet and drag your mouse this column serial number, select your column. You can select multiple column this way. Also you can select single column, click on this column serial number. Now click on the state format option and select a cell option. And here you will find this column border option. I select all border and this is border color option. Here you can change border color. I'll use this format color and see this column border color now change. Also you can increase or decrease border brightness. Also change this column border color. This is theme color. Also you can add a custom color here. See this. And say this all border color is small color. So this color and see this border color now changing and change. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.